Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make to-dos or how to create to-dos in Basecamp. All right, so first up, open up your account and then just go ahead over to your project. Once done, in here we have to-dos. If you can't find it, go to the top right, click on three dots and click on Setup Tools. Click on it and make sure that to-dos is enabled. Okay, once done, go to the top, click on your project and click on to-dos. In here, just go on and go to the top left and click on New List. Okay, click on it. And then here, you can go ahead and name the list. For example, to buy. Okay, if you want to enable tracking for your hill chart, you can go ahead and click on this checkbox. If not, just leave it unticked. Okay, if you have clients in your project, you can go ahead and allow the client to see this too, or allow the client to see your to-dos or this specific to-do. Now you can go ahead and add in an extra detail or attach a file in here if you want to. If not, you can go ahead and click on Add This List. Now, if you want to convert this one as a template, you can go ahead and click on Use a To-Do List Template. Okay. Now going back, just click on Add This List. Now in here, you can now go ahead and add in a task or to-do. Let's say we would need to buy a set of computer. Assign this one to maybe another teammate. When done, notify yourself as the owner and then select the due date. All right, maybe the end of the month right here. And then once done, just click on Add This To Do. If you want to add in some notes, just go ahead and click on Add Extra Details or attach a file. If not, just click on Add This To Do. And then from here, you can go ahead and add in some more tasks or to do. Let's say buy TV, assign to my second account, and notify my main account. Due date, same date, add this to do. All right. And there you have it. You can now go ahead and check it out. Go back to your project. And in here, under to-dos, here you have the to buy list and the task below it. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.